Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to do an unboxing for the Valentine's lettering box. It is so cute and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's jump in. Let me show you what is coming in this box. So this thing I'm going to set aside for just 1 second. This box is all things Valentine's and it is so cute. So the first thing I want to show you is the wax seal stamp. So every lettering box comes with a wax seal stamp and 2 sealing wax sticks. And this one says, "Love you." And it has a cute little heart on it. So let me take this out so you can see it a little bit better. It always comes with a handle. The handle's in the back of the box. People get confused about that because you wouldn't think it would fit in this box, but it does. And this handle is interchangeable with, it's the standard size for all stamps across the industry. But you can see it says, "Love you." I'm trying to get it in focus for you. So cute, and has this cute little border around the edge that I think will be fun to play with. And so it comes in 2 colors. We've got this dark red and we've got primrose pink. So the dark red is just a solid dark red, and then we've got this primrose pink that has a metallic sheen to it. I don't know if you can see that, but so gorgeous, oval shape. It is such a cute little Valentine's stamp. I'm so excited for some fun techniques. Definitely some two-tone techniques coming with this that are going to be really cute and fun. So every box comes with, like I said, a stamp and wax. This is one that I've designed, so it's exclusive to this box. You cannot find this anywhere else. And that is a major benefit of being a part of the lettering box. So that's the first 2 things. So the lettering box always comes with a stamp and 2 sealing wax sticks, and then it comes with a seasonal lettering project. So let me show you what we're going to be making. So these are so adorable. Everything in this box is kind of mini. We're going mini Valentines this year. So these are little envelope boxes. So what we can do, you can prop them open like this and then close down the bottom, and hopefully I'm like remembering the right order to do these in. I think it's this way. Yes. So you push that in so it's all folded up, and then it becomes a little envelope. So the idea is we can leave it open to fill with some cute little goodies, and I'll show you some other things we have. You could also fold it down and you could seal it and make it like a little box envelope, or you can just keep it open and have it overflowing with things. They're so cute, and there's 8 of these little boxes total. So that's the first thing that's coming in the box, or the main project of the box. So along with that, we have a few little fun details. So we're going to be doing some lettering on these cute little mini flags. They come in a few different colors for the outline, and then you have these super mini dowels that we'll be attaching them to and then sticking into our little envelopes, which are so cute, our envelope boxes. The other thing that is so cute and so mini are these little tags. So we'll be putting really tiny little notes here. We'll be using these cute little gold heart clips to clip them onto the front, and then we can fill our little envelope boxes with some treats, some goodies, and the bonus, I'll show you that in a minute, will also fit in here really well. So that's the main part of the project. Let me show you. It always comes with a way to do lettering. So we've got a little Valentine pen set, and it has 3 colors in here. It's got this really dark kind of maroon color, a pink, and this orange one, but it is a little more peachy colored when you actually write with it. So it's not as orange as this color looks, but it's a little more peachy, which will be really cute and some fun variation for doing our lettering on this, and the bonus item. It also comes with a workbook. So this is the Valentine's lettering workbook, and you can see we're doing faux calligraphy with this workbook. So you've got all the examples here. You've got some tracing paper on the back. You also get a digital printable that gives you specific examples for lettering on our different items. So let me show you the bonus item. So if you order by Thursday, January 15th, you will get this little bonus, which is so cute. It's a little mini Valentine card set. So I'm so obsessed with this, and it just fits. Everything's just mini with this box, and I love it. So these ones just have some hearts in a pattern. We've got some cute little stripes. This one that says "Love you" with a heart. I love you so much, matching the same script that's on the stamp, which is really fun. A pink stripe. And then one that's just a blank one for lettering directly on this. So we can letter on the striped one, but some of these, you know, we wouldn't letter on the front of this, but we can letter inside as well. And then of course, I'm going to be sharing some cute and fun ways we can do lettering on these cute little envelopes as well. But let me just show you, these are so cute. So they'll fit inside the little envelope, right? And then they fit inside here. So this is to leave it open, and then you can add some cute little candies and goodies. I'll give you a few different ideas, but it's going to be such a fun, cute little way to deliver a Valentine in a cute little envelope box. We've also got the repeat of the pink stripe here, which I love. I love repeating little details like that. So that's everything that's coming in this box. I'm so excited about it, and I know some of the things are so small, but I think that's what makes it so cute. Once it's all put together, is it's just so mini and fun. This is a quarterly subscription box, so it's every 4 times a year it comes out, and it lines up with the seasons. So every season for Valentine's, spring, fall, and holiday, there's a different box. We do some lettering, we do some wax seals, and we create some really fun projects. So if you'd like to join, head to the link in the description below. The box is $47 plus shipping, and we will be shipping them all out in the next 2 weeks so that you'll get them in time to use for your Valentines. So let me know if you have any questions about this box. I'm so excited and grateful for all of you existing subscribers. If you're an existing subscriber, you automatically get the bonus. If you're new, you need to order next week by Thursday the 15th. But everyone who's existing, you automatically get these super cute little cards, and I'm so grateful for you that you're continuing to get the box, and I cannot wait to send it to you. So thank you guys so much. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you'd like to get the Valentine's lettering box, make sure to click the link in the description below. Make sure to follow Be Goods Lettering here on YouTube, to subscribe to the channel to get more wax seal and lettering tips, and I'll see you in the next video.